Hi guys, so it has been quite some time since I last made a video. So as you guys all know, I have moved to Busan and yeah, moving to a new place is actually kinda tough, I would say, but alhamdulillah now things are gotten better and I have got used to the new environment. So I thought let's get into the business. So today I'm here to make my first video in Busan maybe. Yeah. So many of you guys have been asking me where I've been living, so I thought why not start with the room tour. So today I will be giving you guys a room tour of my room in Busan. So yeah, let's get it started. Here we are outside my building. So okay, let's get inside. Honestly speaking, I really live on a mountain. This building is on such a high altitude. So first we have this high-tech parking garage. Yep. So yep. And then these small post boxes. Mailbox. Yeah, mailbox. And then the gate, for which there is this. So okay, for privacy's sake, I need to maintain the rules. And here the room, then it's inside of the building. So I live on 4th floor and here's no elevator. So okay, time to move up. Let's go. We are here to my room. I even have a doorbell here, which is kinda nice. I'm gonna put my password till you guys see somewhere else. And yeah, here we go. Okay, so this is how my room starts. First we have this, how to say it in English, like shoe closet. Yeah, shinbaljang. Here, like I have to like my shoes and all. Then I got this big mirror. Like it's a movable one, so I would be able to dance here because here I love dancing and I cannot miss that thing. Here we have the bathroom, which I will show you guys in a while. So let's move on. It's not really big, but it's bigger than last time in Daejeon, much bigger than that one. So first we have this TV, and I've set it up with my game so that I could play it whenever I like. Then this is my table and a couple of drawers here. I'm sure you guys know Meowth and Daejeon by now, and this is my nameplate that I got from my last university. And then there's a study lamp, and here a bunch of cosmetics and medicines and prayer mat, and up you can see is the mattress which I bought for my friends. I like this chair actually. This chair is very nice. It's much more comfortable than last time. Then afterwards we have this closet of mine. I have to go a lot back to make it. See, and there's that chimney that I made. I miss it. So yep, once again you can see my closet. It's all perfectly dressed. Anyways, so here we have windows. It doesn't really give a very nice look outside. I don't know why they have bars here. So yeah, if I open it, it gives you nothing but not a very good scene. So yep, I most of the time put the curtains on. Then, but I like the way the windows are. Like if they're big windows, it's like the room is all bright, and I like bright places. And then we have this small toilet room kind of place. Yeah, so inside there's nothing but just a gas boiler they just isolated it in a corner. So yeah, it's nice. It's a nice strategy actually to keep the room look good, because in other rooms most of the time they are there. And one more mirror, like my room is full of mirrors. Then this AC, and then the lights that I set. If you guys have seen it on my Instagram, I like it because I was like, why the hell is there a pipe going on? I wanted to make it look beautiful, so I put these lights. And here is my bed. And if you guys remember, Mr. Yonjan Shi. So yep, he's my lifelong partner here. And then here we go with the kitchen. This is like gas stove, because earlier I had the electric ones. Electric ones are actually quite cheap, but not so efficient actually. Then my rice cooker, and then this place full of masala and stuff and food to eat. The Pakistani deals. I haven't eaten complex yet. And then some crockeries, rice, and more masala things. Here we have a washing machine. It's kind of bigger than last time. Like last time it was maybe an older model, I don't know. So, and then here we have a microwave and a refrigerator. Should I show my refrigerator? I don't even know how it is inside. It's stacked with lots of food I cooked and lots of chickens and the rest, all halal. And then here, nothing much to see, I believe. And then on the top is like some gadgets, like not gadgets, like appliances. Yeah, the right word. So yep, this is all for my room. If I give you a bigger look, it's like this. But the best part, I'm not just the good part, the best part is like it has enough space for me to dance. Like literally I can dance here. There's lots of space here. So last but not the least, the bathroom. This bathroom is much better than the bathroom. So here we are, my bathroom. And then here's the videos. The camera, I should buy a professional camera perhaps, because these ones don't really make videos that good. So yeah, here I am, that's all. So yep, that is all here from me. So the price in Busan is kind of more expensive, much more expensive than I would say from Daejeon. Here, the same room that I got for like $200 is like for $300 here. So like it's like 1.5. So yeah. So if you're coming to Busan, keep in mind that the average room cost would be around 300 to 400. So that's all from it. But I like the place. It's nice and cozy and it's warm. And yep, that's all from us. Take care. Bye.